Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Outgrow, a powerful platform designed to supercharge your marketing efforts through interactive content. Whether you're a marketer aiming to boost engagement or a business owner looking to generate qualified leads, Outgrow offers a suite of tools tailored to meet your needs. Let's explore the main features of this platform, its pricing, its pros and cons, and see other alternatives just in case this isn't the right one for you. So let's get started. Outgrow is a no-code platform that empowers users to create a variety of interactive content types without any programming skills. From quizzes and calculators to polls, surveys, and chatbots, Outgrow provides an extensive range of tools to engage your audience effectively. The platform is designed to help businesses acquire leads, increase conversions, and boost sales through personalized and interactive experiences. One of the standout features of Outgrow is its vast library of optimized templates. These templates are crafted to enhance conversion and engagement rates, allowing you to create compelling content quickly. Additionally, Outgrow offers native integration with various CRM and marketing tools, enabling seamless workflow integration without the need for third-party services. Brand consistency is crucial, and Outgrow recognizes this by offering customizable design options. You can tailor the interactive content to align with your brand guidelines, ensuring a cohesive look and feel across all platforms. Moreover, Outgrow's commitment to user support is evident through its around-the-clock chat assistance, ensuring you have help whenever you need it. Now, let us talk about the main features of Outgrow. Diverse content types. Outgrow enables the creation of various interactive content, including calculators, quizzes, polls and surveys, and chatbots. Optimized templates. With a wide array of pre-designed templates, you can quickly create professional-looking content without starting from scratch. Native integrations. Outgrow integrates seamlessly with numerous CRM and marketing tools, including HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and more, facilitating efficient data flow and lead management. Custom branding. Maintain brand consistency by customizing the design elements of your interactive content to match your brand's aesthetics. Analytics and tracking. You can gain insights into user behavior and content performance through robust analytics, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Now let us talk about the pricing. Outgrow offers several pricing plans to accommodate different needs and budgets. There is the freelancer plan, which is limited. It is offered at $14 per month. It has access to 5 content types, 1 user, and up to 3,000 leads per year. There's the Freelancer Pro plan, offered at $25 per month. It has access to 7 content types, 12,000 leads per year, and 7 content pieces, also 1 user. There's the Essentials plan at $95 per month, access to 8 content types, 90,000 leads per year, and unlimited number of content pieces. 3 users can use this. And the Business plan at $600 per month has access to all content types, 600,000 leads per year, and unlimited number of content pieces with 10 users. Now, just so you know, Outgrow also offers a free 7-day trial that allows you to explore its features before committing to a paid plan. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Outgrow. Like any platform, Outgrow has its strengths and areas for improvements. So we start with the pros. Feature rich. Outgrow supports numerous integrations and continually adds new tools to enhance content creation. Extensive template library. A vast selection of pre-designed templates simplifies the content creation process. Responsive support. Users praise Outgrow's responsive and knowledgeable customer support team. No coding is required. Create interactive tools without the need for programming skills. And full embedding capabilities. You can easily embed created content on your website with minimal efforts. How about the cons? There is complexity issues for beginners. The platform's extensive features can be overwhelming for new users. Aggressive upselling. Some users have reported persistent attempts to encourage plan upgrades. Pricing gaps. Significant price differences between entry-level and higher-tier plans may be a concern for some users. Ongoing SaaS costs. As a subscription-based service, monthly fees can add up, especially for higher-tier plans. So, is Outgrow the best interactive content tool? Well, Outgrow is a robust platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools for creating interactive content aimed at enhancing user engagement and lead generation. Its diverse content types, extensive template library, and seamless integrations make it a valuable asset for marketers and businesses looking to create personalized user experiences. However, the platform's complexity may present a learning curve for beginners, and the pricing structure could be a consideration for smaller businesses. It's essential to assess your specific needs and budgets to determine if Outgrow aligns with your marketing goals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Typeform, Interact, and Lead Quizzes. That wraps up a detailed review of Outgrow. I hope this provides you with everything you need to know. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.